Ever wondered why Arlo Pro 6 Gen ends home security nightmares? Ever felt like your home security setup is more comedy than fortress, with alerts buzzing for every leaf or shadow while real threats slip by unnoticed? That nagging itch of vulnerability, peeking out windows instead of relaxing, turning your sanctuary into a stress zone. If you're tired of false alarms ruining movie nights, comment yes to share your wildest glitch story. Let's commiserate before we conquer it. Amplify that dread. Family deadlines clashing with endless alert checks. Stress simmering as burnout hits from tweaking angles that never quite cover the blind spots. You're juggling work calls while second-guessing if the backyard's safe. That constant hum of worry draining your spark. But picture this sly twist. A seamless shield that anticipates chaos, handing back control without piling on more gadgets or guilt. If false alarms are your nemesis, this could flip your script effortlessly. Step into the spotlight with the Arlo Pro Security Camera, 6th Gen, 2025 release. The cheeky guardian that's ditching outdated vigilance for a hypnotic blend of smarts and simplicity, making traditional wired woes look like relics. This 4-cam powerhouse rocks 2K HDR video across a sweeping 160 degrees field of view, capturing the crisp whites of porch lights piercing midnight blacks, revealing every license plate glint or forgotten toy like a detective's whisper. Dual-band Wi-Fi locks in rock-solid streams, while the integrated spotlight floods night scenes in vivid color, banishing grainy ghosts forever. Imagine Lisa, a harried mom in suburbia, her heart skipping at a midnight creak. One glance at the Arlo Secure app's event captions, "Package delivered," and she's back to sleep, not sprinting downstairs. The swappable, high-efficiency batteries stretch 15% longer, powering through high-traffic spots without a recharge nag. And that one-tap emergency response beams gate code straight to first responders, turning what-if panic into poised precision. Custom detections flag garage gapes or pup pranks, slicing false alerts with AI finesse, all backed by a 1-month secure plan trial unlocking 60-day history and activity zones. Feel the intuitive pull. That cool app buzz in your palm, the soft spotlight glow evoking a warm, watchful embrace over your domain. Here's a teaser reward. Tweak motion sensitivity via the app for zero wind whistle woes, your mini-story starter. But linger. The bonus tip at the close unveils an exclusive automation hack that syncs lights to alerts, weaving security into your smart home's rhythm like magic. This isn't mere monitoring. It's emotional armor, stirring that deep sigh of relief as horizons of hassle fade. Now, let's crank the allure. The Arlo Pro 6th Gen doesn't guard. It empowers, sharpening your focus so efficiency flows like a well-oiled routine, ditching frantic footage hunts for laser-sharp performance that feels almost unfair. That 2K HDR clarity zooms 12x on details like a visitor's hesitant wave or a raccoon's midnight RAD, while two-way audio lets you chat down delivery folks from the couch. Humorous how it turns "who's there" into casual control. Battery swaps keep coverage non-stop, perfect for pet monitoring escapades where Fido's zoom eyes demand unblinking eyes. A smart home expert gushed. Event captions revolutionize reviews. You grasp alerts instantly, no playback grind. 2K HDR shines for distant faces, and dual-band Wi-Fi erases lag for buttery streams. Tech influencers rave. Wireless battery impresses. Setups a snap. 160 degrees view blankets my yard. Spotlights color night vision details eclipse black and white drudgery. Plus emergency response layers true security. Analysts affirm software smarts like captions and dispatch elevate it beyond recorders. It's a proactive partner. The 4-cam kit's a steal for full home sweeps in premium DIY turf. Users chime in. One mom shared. Up from older models, night spotlight's a revelation. Captions zip through events in seconds, and app-linked emergencies blanket my family in calm. Another hobbyist noted, breezy install, no wires. Alerts nail accuracy, rare fakes, trial showcased value. Subscription's a no-brainer for this piece. Sure, purists might quibble over sub-needs for peak AI, but the core wire-free freedom reinforces its UVP, as the intuitive all-rounder. See why thousands chatter endlessly about this. Which perk, spotlight glow or caption clarity, would reclaim your evenings? Drop it below, and let's swap tales. Envision the sensory hum. App's haptic nudge syncing with your intuition, narratives unfolding in rich, reassuring tones that tug at protective instincts. Your haven's upgrade awaits, curiosity coiling like a secret ready to spring. Urgency alert. Stocks of the Arlo Pro 6th Gen 4Cam bundle are dipping fast. Join the surge of families and pros who've swapped worry for wow with its HDR vigilance and AI edge. Users boast of crystal-clear motion mastery and months-long battery bliss, while experts crown it the user-friendly pinnacle. Don't dawdle. Lock in yours today for that hidden gem, seamless Alexa integration that auto-announces intruders, easing everything into effortless safety. Click now, claim your trial, and breathe easy. Don't just peek. Protect and prosper starting tonight.